back. YouTube belt, you already know what's going on. We was watching Kai. I didn't get to see it yesterday, so I'm watching a rerun. But, got my son. Say hi. We finna give him a haircut. You already see by the title what's going on. But, my son don't like haircuts, so I gotta get prepared. So we gotta get some candy. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Bear with me. We gotta get, look, iPad. We gotta have this so he be distracted and won't know what's going on. That noise. And then we plug the iPad up to the speaker because he really scared of the sound. He's not scared of the haircut. That's what's so crazy. It's crazy. All kids really like that. And Halloween just passed, so got a bag of candy. Pick out some pieces for him, some stuff that he like, and we're gonna get right to the business. I think this should be enough. One sucker, gummy, and another sucker. Hey, come on. He don't even know he finna get a haircut. But let's get it, child. Let's turn it up. Let's see how he react right now. Watch this. Let's see, y'all. Watch this, y'all. Watch this. Dior, come here. He gonna see the candy at first and be cool. When you see these clippers, he gonna run. Trust me. He gonna run, y'all. Okay, boom. Let me go get the guard. That time again, son. Here. Let's get you some candy. There you go. No, sit down. We already know. It don't hurt nothing. So let's go. Come on, let me see. Look, let me see. Eat your popsicle. I mean, eat your sucker. So it won't get in your sucker. Eat your candy. It don't hurt. Stop. See? Stop it. It don't hurt. Come on now. This ain't your first time. This ain't your first time. This ain't my first time. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Yeah. Watch that. You're not crying. It don't hurt. Yay. Good shot. You're doing a good job. No. You're doing a good job. Let me see. Stop it. You do a good job. You doing good. Stop. Hey. Stop. Stop it. Look, you being crybaby. They see you being crybaby. No. They seeing you being a crybaby. Stop. I don't want to hold you down. You're going to make me hold you down. You're going to make me hold you down, son. I don't want to hold you down, okay? I don't want to hold you down. Good job. Yay, good job. Stop it. Good job. It's a good job. Let me see. No. It don't even hurt. You're not even crying. You're whining, son. Hey, look at the camera. You alright? See, you okay? No. See, you making it worse. Daddy. Stop. Well, you making it hard. Look, I ain't even touch you. You scared of the sound, and you making the sound because you keep moving, son. Look, here. See? It no hurt. It no hurt. It no hurt. It no hurt. See? It no hurt. It no hurt. See? No hurt. Let me see. Yeah, rub it on me. Rub it on my shirt, son. Go ahead. You all good. Okay. Look, it didn't even hurt. Hush. Golly. You just hear the sound, son. Let me see. You mess up. Look, like this. See how you didn't cry that time? That's how you know it don't hurt him. It just be the noise. It didn't even hurt. Cry, baby. Look, didn't even hurt. Hush. That didn't hurt you. Stop. You're gonna get in the shower anyways. When you're done, you ain't gotta wipe it off. You know that's your hair, son. Hush. Mama, let me see. You gotta stop touching the egg. There you go. You see how you're not crying when I go back in there and do it? Cause that mean, you know what that means, son? That mean you faking. That mean you faking. Wait, no. You almost done. Hush. The hair nappy. Hair nappy. We don't like nappy hair. Dior. Hush. Let me see. If you just pick one of your shows, you'll be all fine. You'll be all fine. Just pick your show. Stop. Look. Be quiet. Let me get through this, okay? Here.